Babe, look at what I found on Instagram.
Ha! You?
This was you. What will you do?
Let me see that. Like, why will you put me in this situation for the first place?
This was you. What will you do? Like, let's assume like this is you now. What will you do?
No, why will you in this earth put me in this situation? No,
like they are couples, like they are boyfriend and girlfriend. Like the girl, she woke him up with a slap. Let's say it's you now. What will you do?
See, you asking me this question alone is a red flag. I swear.
No, babe. I mean, assuming. Like, I'm not saying it's you. No, like assuming is you. It's not you. Assuming. Jesus Christ.
Nancy. You don't come back, you don't miss you.
Jesus. Now my mama house like do.
You, they sent you go man house, you go to Peter man.
No, mommy, I know Peter. I was just asking him. Assuming. I know Peter.
Assuming. Oh yeah, come here, come here.
Bam.